Alrighty. Well, I think I'm in a bit of a good place for where, yeah, my progress. And now, yeah, I've been using Unity's got their new AI feature, which, oh my god, it's helped me so much because it can actually look and tell me what I'm doing wrong. Which, every now and then I have been cheating to make, systems with AI. Like, for instance, if I press play, I wanted to make a crouch system, and if it would start. But yeah, my head is like a foot up higher now, and when I crouch, it's at the right level, and I cannot manually change it. I drag it, and the camera like bounces back. Um, so yeah, definitely not gonna be using it for pure generation like that, but it is very good for looking over my work and telling me what I did wrong. Like now, oh god, like even the sensitivity. Yeah, you see, that's the top of my head I'm looking at. Oh, yes, I deleted that zombie. Okay, I got. Should explain this. Oh god, it's gonna look janky for you guys, but so I kind of got like a noise meter. I got decibels. I got the what's it called, inverse square shit going on. So it like faraway zombies. If you make a loud noise, they're not gonna always be attracted if there's a noise near them that's louder, like relative to them. Um, I just got in-game time because it was kind of thing that was already there. I just wanted to show it. When I was trying to learn how to do UI. Heartbeats. Now, as you can see, I probably will have to use AI for this one because the way I've coded it, it's kind of just like a linear scale. Not great. But it does work at where if I kind of really work up a sweat here, eventually. Oh, well. Oh wait, no. Okay, no. I added. I forgot. I gotta be scared by a zombie now because it's 180. I gotta change that. But essentially, when you're catching your breath, that's kind of rather than a hard sprint stamina bar, it's gonna be, you guys catching his breath. Maybe he's fucking puking after kilometers of running stressfully, whatever. But it's gonna be more trade-offs of noise and stuff. And yeah, eventually you're not gonna be able to fucking walk and collapse, whatever. That's all a long way away. But for now, we got what we got. Ooh, one thing, and now it takes like it took me 2 hours of real life time for them to even do it. But zombies now prefer the shade. I kind of want them to like darkness, not to the extent where they're not rushing to it, but they once they figure out the shade there, they like it better. And yeah, I think I got sometimes they clump up a little much, but if it's once I have better models, I feel like that would look even nicer. But yeah, right now you can see that none of them. Okay, if I've seen before any of them see me here. When they're kind of clumped up, they're busy, and it's kind of at first there's a bug. I've been trying to fix it because the way I have what is it? My mass and pressure and all that. It was originally how to get organic clumps and stuff like Walking Dead and everything that I like, but I can't stop getting them this close, otherwise they get too springy or they're too far apart. And I'm sure I could adjust the numbers to get it better. Oh, now they finally saw me. Oh no, they didn't. They're just getting closer. But anyways, essentially, I want these guys to now like the zombies. I don't want them to be Walking Dead rotting types. I want them to be more human-esque. And they're all sitting there shaking hands one another. Maybe like they're all business. Let's say they're all people, business suits, whatever. They're all, how do you do? Talk about quarters, upscaling, downstream, all that nonsense, just on repeat. I don't know if anyone's read I Am Hero, but I think that'd be kind of a cool direction for the zombies. And then like I think that'd be very unique. But yeah, let's get back into game here. And what is it? Let's see if I can attack him. Attack! Oh god, it's not working. Okay, well, I forgot what it's my shout, yell. Okay, well, I'm dead now. Um, well, I was trying to show my attack, but I forgot what the thing is. Anyways, this is gonna actually. Oh, if I can get my player time. So now I'm dead. And now the zombies are feasting on this sumptuous feast that is me. And now that hopefully I've actually never tested with a big horde, and I think it should work. But now I think I set 10 seconds to 2 minutes, with the average being 45 seconds, for the player to now turn into a zombie. And, oh, there he goes. Hey. So yeah, now he's a zombie. Zombified player. That's our boy. It's just in the center now. Um, but yeah, so I need to adjust that. But it should be if he's eaten by a giant horde, he's not becoming a zombie, right? He is just feasted upon. He's nothing but bones. It's nothing big, but I thought it was just a cool feature that kind of came in, because I noticed they clumped way too hard originally. So yeah, ooh, that's another lovely feature we got going. I need to add a few more things like a zombie manager, so I don't have to keep on keeping this preset of zombies. A player manager, so I can spawn in again. But for now, yeah, you see this. I'm really mad at myself. This is the pure AI generated one. As you can see, it's so janky. But this, if I make a noise. And so, I could have stood aside to show it even better, but the door has actually got more noise holes in it, I guess. Like, noise travels further. So they will actually go for the door, because, noise is leaking out. But yeah, now they're attacking the door. Ooh, there they come. Here come the zombies. Ooh. But yeah, that's not too shabby, I don't think. Like, I think they're still a little... Let's get rid of some of this. A little clumpy, whatever. But that is mostly what we got, like our springs. I'm just been very yeah. Right now I have to change one zombie, delete the rest, and kind of see how it works. And that's just not working. But at the same time, having all the zombies with the exact same springiness and stuff, I think is going to be inherently just going to always look wrong. So I think my plan is to kind of have a universal zombie thing and then variants. So you got the movers, you got the shamblers, I don't know what else zombies do. Shuffle. But yeah, and actually, I could probably it's a proof of concept here. Okay, don't need to save it, but let's just get like a shit ton more of these guys going. Just want to show that like I can have a billion of these dudes. It does not. Well, I guess it can't go in game, but take my word for it. I all the zombie AI, it does not matter. But yeah, I've actually achieved most of the goals I thought would take me a long time, which is basic zombie AIs. You see, they zombie around. If you want them slower, faster, more aggressive, smarter, dumber, that's all. I believe mostly my zombie AI script. Go figure. But you see, like I got everything here, and now I'm actually really looking to make something out of this. I guess. I don't know. This is mostly me rambling. Yeah, my UI work could be definitely improved. As you can see, I'm not very creative. I'm gonna change the in-game time right now. I think I have 10 minutes for an hour. I think I want 15 to 20 minutes. It's just 10 minutes is too short. But yeah, I believe that. Oh, you know what? No, hold up. Oh, no, I think I deleted it actually. But no, I have been making. I bought Gaia Studio or Gaia Pro, whatever it's called. Not the pro one, whatever the light version is, 20-buck version, just to play around with the terrain generation, and it's good. I have not figured out how to use they have an in, like I've been originally trying to get my own height maps and stuff. Apparently these guys, they just use Google Earth or whatever. So maybe I can get my Alberta type terrain without having to do all the hassle I've been trying to do. It's been a whole thing, so that'd be really slick. Yeah, honestly, I'm pretty happy. Yeah, I mean, hopefully, I keep on doing this. Every wall I've hit, whether it's been through just YouTube, Reddit, and I know people this day and age really don't like AI, but you know, fuck, Yeah, when I hit a wall and I have literally nothing, like I don't even know what to search, having the AI to tell me at least what I'm doing wrong is a huge game changer. Well, anyways, I think that's basically all for me. But yeah, my next little goal for next video is yeah, I guess a spawn system for these guys, spawn system for players, like even just a pseudo where I can say, player name and spawns a guy for me to play, like that'd be good enough. Uh, ooh, and like a little house, just something. I want to test more breakable windows and stuff, just see how they gather an actual house rather than this, wall. And there's probably some other stuff I'm forgetting. Like, oh, obviously fix the bugs that I've made by trusting AI implicitly. Yeah, so far so good, all things considered. Yeah, that's all.